Hello viewers, I am Deepthi. Now I am going to solve section B, question number 6 onward for ICSE class 10 chemistry paper for the board 2026. Starting with question number 6, give reasons why hydrochloric acid cannot form an acid salt. Acid salt के लिए the criteria is that it should be a dibasic. तो अभी तो नहीं है. हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड इज you have to give monobasic acid. So it is a monobasic acid, so it can give only normal salt. Or you can also write कि for the production of acid salt it should be dibasic, so that one normal and one acid salt will be formed. B is electronegativity increases across a period. So this is simply a reason you have to give, that since nuclear charge increases due to increase in atomic number. Nuclear charge increases due to increase in atomic number. At the same time, number of shell remains same. तो to attract the shared pair of electron towards itself, electronegativity की definition आ जाएगी. So increase in nuclear charge causes electron attraction with greater force. This is the proper reason. Now coming to second part. Organic compound having different molecular formula. Here this is a different molecular formula but same structural formula are called isomers. So definition को उल्टा कर दिया गया है. So this statement is false, क्योंकि हमें क्या होता है, organic compound having same molecular formula but different structural formula, तो वो same और different को interchange कर दिया गया है. So this statement is false. Next is a salt is a compound formed by partial or complete replacement of the hydrogen ion of an acid by a metal or electropositive ion. You can say like ammonium ion, so electropositive ion. So this definition is complete. Salt की proper definition यही होती है. This statement is true. Now third part, Anil is a laboratory assistant in a college. He prepared nitric acid but stored it in transparent container exposed to sunlight. After a few days, brown fumes were observed in the container and the acid turned slightly yellowish in color. So what was the error made by Anil while storing the acid? So the error is that he should not use ट्रांसपेरेंट कंटेनर एंड एक्सपोज इट टू सनलाइट. दोनों चीज मतलब दोनों है, पर हमें ट्रांसपेरेंट कंटेनर यूज नहीं करना था, ये मेन रेफर करना है यहाँ पे. While storing the acid, why were brown fumes observed in the container? तो brown fumes क्यों आई हैं? Because HNO3 की thermal decomposition हुई है. Due to the thermal decomposition of nitric acid, it gives NO2, which is a nitrogen dioxide, which is a reddish brown gas. You can give like this. How can the yellowish tinge in the acid be removed? कैसे remove किया जा सकता है? If carbon dioxide is bubbled, then it drives out nitrogen dioxide. Otherwise, you can simply write with the addition of excess of water, NO2 will dissolve in it and the yellowish color removed, क्योंकि this is the reverse of decomposition of nitric acid जो earlier हुआ था, तो opposite हो जाएगा. Now coming to numerical part here. Zinc plus HNO3, zinc nitrate, water and NO2 is forming. How many moles of zinc was required in the reaction? तो number of moles is equal to जो given mass है divided by molecular mass. Molecular mass or molar mass you can also write. तो given mass in the question it is 32.5 और जिंक का भी आपको गिवन ही है 65 और जिंक के आगे कुछ है ही नहीं, तो वी विल टेक 65 ओनली. तो इट इज इक्वल टू 0.5. तो 0.5 मोल. हाउ मेनी मोल्स ऑफ जिंक वाज रिक्वायर्ड इन द रिएक्शन? 0.5 moles are required. Now B part. Find the mass of nitric acid needed to react with 32.5 gram of zinc. तो नंबर ऑफ मोल्स ऑफ जिंक कितने हो जाएंगे? नंबर ऑफ मोल्स ऑफ जिंक तो वी हैव सीन कि यहाँ पर कितने हैं, 0.5 है, बट जिंक के साथ हमें ये कितना चाहिए, 4 चाहिए. तो नंबर ऑफ मोल्स आई एम यूजिंग सिंबल N ऑफ, हमें कितना चाहिए, नाइट्रिक एसिड का. उसने पूछा ना ऑफ नाइट्रिक एसिड, तो HNO3 कितना नंबर ऑफ मोल्स चाहिए होगा, उसके आगे 4 है, तो 4 into 0.5 means 2 moles are required of nitric acid to complete the reaction. Now find the volume of nitrogen dioxide liberated. अब 2 moles में भी आपको यहाँ पर पूरा कैलकुलेट करना पड़ेगा. पहले हमने moles निकाल लिया. Find the mass of nitric acid. तो mass you know, mass is equal to number of moles कितने हमारे इसके अंदर यूज हुए हैं into molecular mass कितना है of HNO3. तो मॉलिक्यूलर मास ऑफ HNO3 तो यू नो नंबर ऑफ मोल्स हमारे पास 2 आया है, फिर भी हम कैलकुलेट करके शो करेंगे 1 + 14 + 16 3 48, इट मीन्स 2 × 63, इट मीन्स 3 to 6 and 6 to 12 126 ग्राम। तो हमें पूरा शो करना है। दिस इज द मास ऑफ नाइट्रिक एसिड रिक्वायर्ड, नंबर ऑफ मोल रिक्वायर्ड तो 2, बट नंबर ऑफ मोल की हेल्प से वी हैव टू गिव मास एज 126 ग्राम। For C part, find the volume of nitrogen dioxide liberated in B part। तो कितना लिबरेट हो रहा है? So 1 volume of zinc liberates, आप गेलुसेक लगाओ, यहाँ पे कितनी वॉल्यूम है NO2 की? 2। So 2 volume of NO2 is liberated। So 1, उसके लिए 1 वॉल्यूम है तो इट मीन्स हमारे पास 0.5 मोल हैं ऑफ जिंक, देन उसका कितना हो जाएगा? 2 × 0.5, इट मीन्स 1 मोल। अब वी ऑल नो that for 1 mole we have to tell the volume. For 1 mole volume is 22.4 liter, so we have to give the answer in liter because volume is asked, so 22.4 liter is the appropriate answer because 1 mole of NO2 is required in this answer. Now coming to question number 7. Carbon reacts with an acid to form carbon dioxide, water and nitrogen dioxide. Name the acid used in the reaction. So this is the action of concentrated nitric acid, जहां आपने oxidizing property of nitric acid read किया है, वहां action of nitric acid on non metal में ये reaction you have read. So name the acid. So this is concentrated nitric acid, HNO3. Now write a balanced chemical equation for the reaction. So carbon with, for balancing we have to put 4, carbon with HNO3 will produce carbon dioxide, 2 molecules of water and 4 molecules of NO2. Second part, bauxite is a principal ore used in the commercial extraction of aluminium. The Bayer's process is used to refine bauxite. Based on this, explain the reason behind the addition of caustic soda during the Bayer's process. तो caustic soda is used, क्यों यूज कर रहे हैं? As it is added to dissolve, यहाँ पर aluminium oxide, जो aluminium oxide यानी bauxite उसको dissolve करने के लिए, as it is amphoteric, so it form soluble sodium aluminate बनाएगा and then separate from impurities. So this is the purpose basically to dissolve aluminium oxide, ये हमने लिखना है इसके अंदर. Write a balanced chemical equation. Again इसके लिए Al2O3 dot 2H2O यानी बॉक्साइड हमने लिया एंड देन वी हैव टू टेक NaOH, तो मेन हमने दिखाना है इसमें, प्लस ट्वाइस ऑफ बैलेंसिंग के लिए ट्वाइस ऑफ NaOH, they will give 2 NaAlO2 and 3H2O. So this is the balanced chemical equation for this reaction. Now third part, state one relevant observation for the following. Sodium hydroxide is added dropwise to calcium nitrate solution. तो आपने 4th chapter में किया ही हुआ है. Here calcium hydroxide is formed. You can write white precipitate of calcium hydroxide is formed, which is sparingly soluble. Next is dilute hydrochloric acid is added to iron 2 sulfide. So sulfide is there, so H2S, hydrogen disulfide gas is formed which smells like a rotten egg. In C part, an amphoteric metal is added to hot concentrated alkali. तो whenever amphoteric metal, like हमने कोई भी zinc ले लिया and added to concentrated alkali means NaOH, तो Na2ZnO2 sodium zincate plus साथ में hydrogen हमेशा reduce होती है. तो we have to write here observation only. तो observation is colorless, odorless, effervescence is formed. तो आप बेन लिख सकते हो, effervescence is there, bubbles are there, colorless, odorless, hydrogen gas is produced there. In 4th part, A, B, C we have to write कि इथेनॉल was there और इथेनॉल से A क्या है, A क्या यूज किया हमने जिससे इट कन्वर्ट टू इथीन. तो A is concentrated sulfuric acid. Here concentrated sulfuric acid is added as a dehydrating agent at a temperature of 170 degrees Celsius, then it convert ethanol to ethene. Now coming to B, B क्या यूज किया हमने कि इथेनॉल कन्वर्टेड टू इथाइल एसीटेट. ये तो दिस रिएक्शन यू नो एस्टेरिफिकेशन. तो एडेड वी कैन राइट एसिटिक एसिड और you can also write CH3COH, ethanoic acid आप लिख सकते हैं। नाउ सी के लिए, सी में हमने क्या ऐड किया कि कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड और वाटर, तो दिस इज, तो सी इज ऑक्सीजन। मतलब बेसिकली ये कौन सी रिएक्शन हो गई, दिस इज ए कंबस्शन रिएक्शन। इन जब हम इसकी कंबस्शन करेंगे, इथेनॉल को बर्न करेंगे, तो पेल ब्लू कलर आएगा फ्लेम का, एंड कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड विद वाटर एंड हीट इज लिबरेटेड। Coming to question number 8, 5.6 liter of gas Z weighs 32 gram at STP. If you have seen my mole concept video, ये मैंने आपको बहुत सिंपल फॉर्मूला दिया है इसको करने के लिए। N means number of mole is equal to given mass, जो भी क्वेश्चन में given है, given mass divided by molar mass is equal to जो volume given है in liter divided by 22.4. Now coming to the question, क्या क्या given है, 5.6 liter of gas, it means volume is given, denominator 22.4, weighs 32 gram, it means 32 gram weight is given. So what is the molecular weight, this we have to tell them. So X is equal to 32 into 22.4 divided by 5.6, this is 4, and 4 into 32, it is 128 gram. Now vapor density, next part इसी का ही है, vapor density is equal to molecular mass divided by 2, it means 128 divided by 2 means 64 is the vapor density of this element. Now name the following the most electronegative element of period 2. So in the period 2, across the period हम जाते थे, it will increase, तो जो end आएगा यानी कि fluorine. So most electronegative element is fluorine, बिकॉज पीरियड में सबसे एंड में वही है। द लार्जेस्ट एटम ऑफ पीरियड 3, यानी एटॉमिक साइज किसका सबसे ज्यादा है, तो एटॉमिक साइज डिक्रीजेज अक्रॉस अ पीरियड, तो लार्जेस्ट कौन होगा, जो सबसे एक्सट्रीम लेफ्ट में होगा, तो पीरियड 3 में सबसे लेफ्ट में इज सोडियम। तो बहुत ज्यादा क्वेश्चंस आपके पीरियोडिक टेबल से आए हैं फर्स्ट चैप्टर से, जिन स्टूडेंट्स ने उसके कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर है तो काफी मार्क्स तो ऑटोमेटिकली स्कोर हो रहे हैं। Third part is identify the element which has the least atomic radius out of lithium, potassium, calcium and fluorine. Has the least atomic radius, this is fluorine because topmost position है और वो भी right में, तो top position on the right side में, तो fluorine is there, तो वहां पर least atomic radius हो जाएगा, क्योंकि डिक्रीज होता है आपको पता है उस दर्जान पे। Has 2 valence electrons, so this is very simple, this is calcium because it belongs to group 2 only. Third is the most electropositive element. So electropositive is here potassium because potassium is an alkali metal and its position is down in the group itself, जो first group में हमारा आ रहा है, तो यहाँ पर potassium आ गया। Now last question, KLMR beakers containing 3 different solutions as shown below. So aqueous acetic acid, we know that this is a weak acid. So if it is a weak acid, it will have ions as well as molecules also. तो ions भी हैं और molecules भी हैं। Next is sodium chloride solution. तो it is a strong salt. तो solution आएगा तो strong है, तो it means it has only ions. Next is distilled water which is non-electrolyte. तो non-electrolyte means it has only molecules. Now contains only ions, name the beaker which contains only ions. So this is L because L में NaCl and NaCl dissociate completely into Na plus and chloride minus. B is contain only molecule means distilled water because it has purely molecules inside it. C has pH less than 7, so it is K because although it is weak but still it is an acid, so even if it is a weak acid it has H plus ions, so pH value less than 7 हो जाएगा, so this is K. So with this I conclude my today's video. With this my solutions for chemistry ICSE class 10 paper board paper 2026 is over. Hope my solutions will help you. Thank you for watching till the end. Keep watching, sharing and subscribe to my channel.